Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, we'll try to talk about another breaking news on the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, there's another Oneplus Nord 2 phone got exploded just yesterday on August 9th. So in this video, I'll try to talk about all the details about what the statement given by the victim, under what condition it got blasted, and what is the response given by the Oneplus company as well on this incident. That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. And one more quick note, this is the second Oneplus Nord 2 phone got exploded. So previously I did cover another video on that particular topic 1 week back, and there's another phone which got exploded recently, just yesterday only. There's a Oneplus Nord 2, and in the hands of the government officer as well. There's a statement which has been given by the My Smart Price website. You can visit the website for more details. And this is a statement given by the victim, as you can see exactly. So statement on the August 9th. This is a statement exactly given by the victim. And after reading the statement, even the Oneplus also replied to the website, which is a My Smart Price. They did ask the reason why it got exploded, and the Oneplus even did reply. I'll try to show you the reply what we got from the Oneplus. As you can see friends, this is the exact reply we got from the Oneplus website for this website, which is a My Smart Price website. So, and damage was caused due to the external factors. As you can see, that is what the Oneplus did mention, and not due to any kind of manufacturer product issues. As you can see, that is what the statement it has been given by the Oneplus. It is caused due to the external factors, not because of the manufacturer product issues. And top priority is the health and safety for our customers. And we reached out to the concerned user immediately after hearing about the incident and initiated it through internal investigation. The results indicate that damage to the device was caused by an isolated incident involving external factors and not due to any kind of manufacturer product issue. As you can see exactly, this is a statement which has been given by the Oneplus. So they're saying that there's no problem with the Oneplus phone, so it might be happen because of the external factors only. And they also mentioned that they're in the touch with the user as well, as you can see, so to support with them. And Oneplus did mention that the Oneplus Nord 2 phones will be going under the very thorough manufacturing process before coming into the consumer hands. That's what the Oneplus they did mention. And let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on the second incident which has happened on the Oneplus Nord 2 device. And after this blast, and a lot of my viewers, they did mention me not to do intense kind of testings on the Oneplus Nord 2. So maybe I need to keep this phone for a couple of days side, not doing intense kind of testing. Definitely I won't do that much kind of intense testing from now. I will try to take care friends, definitely. And let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on the second blast on the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So hopefully this phone should not become another Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Hopefully this should not become. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick information which I thought of just sharing with my subscribers. A lot of subscribers did ask me this kind of question. That is the reason. So you got a clear idea, right? What is the statement given by the victim and what is the response given by the Oneplus as well. So hopefully we should not hear any kind of another breaking news on the Oneplus Nord 2. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.